You walk into a room full of strangers and immediately your heart rate spikes. You wonder if you look awkward, if your hands are positioned correctly, or if people are quietly judging every word you say. You tell yourself that charisma is something people are born with. You assume that charming individuals possess a magical social talent that you simply lack. But the real answer is much stranger. Social attraction is not an innate personality trait. It is a biological reaction controlled by hardwired neural shortcuts in the human brain. When you interact with someone for the first time, their brain evaluates you before you even finish your first sentence. Psychologist Albert Mehrabian famously discovered that human communication is heavily dominated by nonverbal signals, with spoken words accounting for a tiny fraction of emotional impact. Your mind constantly scans others for subtle indicators of safety, warmth, and status. By deliberately triggering specific neurological responses, you can bypass social hesitation and make anyone instantly feel comfortable around you. The first psychological shortcut is known as the chameleon effect. Psychological researchers Chartrand and Barg demonstrated that human beings naturally mimic the posture, gestures, and vocal tones of people they feel connected to. When you subtly reflect someone's physical posture or speech rhythm, their brain receives a powerful signal of similarity. Neurons in the motor cortex, known as mirror neurons, light up in response to this physical alignment. To their subconscious mind, you cease to be a stranger and instantly become familiar, safe, and trustworthy. The second trick relies on a powerful principle identified by pioneer of attachment theory, John Bowlby, alongside social psychologists studying interpersonal attraction. Human beings are neurologically driven to seek validation. When you speak to someone, your brain naturally craves undivided focus. By practicing active listening and using their name naturally during conversation, you trigger a localized release of dopamine and oxytocin in their reward system. Neuroscientist Helen highlights how these neurochemicals create an immediate sensation of warmth and bonding. People rarely remember the exact words you spoke, but their nervous system will vividly remember how safe and valued you made them feel. The third trick taps into a fascinating phenomenon called the Ben Franklin effect, rooted in cognitive dissonance theory developed by Leon Festinger. When you ask someone for a tiny, effortless favor, their brain experiences a brief moment of subconscious recalibration. Cognitive bias forces their mind to reason. If I'm helping this person, I must like them. Instead of perceiving you as a burden, their brain automatically assigns higher value to you to keep its own beliefs consistent. This biological phenomenon connects directly to early social conditioning. Psychiatrist Bessel van der Kolk and expert on human connection Gabor Mate emphasize that the human nervous system is continuously seeking safe co-regulation. If you carry internal tension, anxiety, or hypervigilance into an interaction, the other person's amygdala subconsciously detects your stress through microexpressions. But when you apply these three simple neural triggers, you regulate your own presence while relaxing theirs. You do not need to alter your personality, force a fake smile, or become an extreme extrovert. Your brain is simply navigating an ancient survival architecture that prioritizes safety and connection above all else. Charisma is not magic, it is merely applied neuroscience. The next time you step into a room, you do not need to worry about being liked. You simply need to step back, trigger the right biological signals, and let their brain do the rest.